4 natural home remedies for receding gums. Receding gums is a retraction of the gums from the crown of the teeth. It is a progressive condition that may start as early as in childhood and worsens ever so gradually over the years. There are several natural remedies out there that have been found to combat receding gums. 1. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is an anti-inflammatory substance and great for fighting gum disease. This could be due to its germ-fighting abilities. It kills the bacteria in your mouth when gum recession occurs. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of eucalyptus oil with 1 cup of warm water and gargle. Repeat this process at least twice in a day for good results. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the nature's most effective antiseptics. It's been known to work wonderfully against thrush and other oral infections. You just have to rub a few drops of tea tree oil on your gums to help alleviate symptoms of gum disease, specifically gum inflammation. You will be amazed by the results. 3. Aloe vera. A recent study has discovered that aloe vera gel results in improvement of periodontal condition. Aloe vera gel also reduces pocket depth in gums, which can be attributed to anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and wound healing properties. Aloe vera prevents bleeding gums and antifungal for thrush and oral infection caused by yeast. Just apply organic aloe vera to your gums a few times a week. You will be amazed by the results. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the healthiest spices in the world. But did you know that turmeric is also great for fighting inflammation and infection, making it the perfect therapy for gum disease? Well, yes, and you should add more turmeric to your diet or apply directly to your teeth and gum. And don't forget to try this homemade turmeric paste if you have periodontal problems. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.